me just let him be.
Hi AC Bloom family, hope you're doing good. For the new subscribers, karibuni sana, feel at home and subscribe ukue mwenyeji. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much, and you're always welcome here to my channel anytime. Like you feel like you want to see me, this is the platform, you know. Always, you just, even you can come without knocking, you know. This is the only place that you can come into my house without knocking. You're allowed, free, and you can sit, we eat, we clean, we do everything together, you know. And for the new subscribers, munaweza kuwa wenyeji, just subscribe and become our family. We are 107 right now. I don't know kama tumeongezeka, but the time that I'm doing this vlog, I guess we are at 107 subscribers, and you know, I'm happy. The milestone is quite good and exciting. Just we need more subscribers and more family. We need to extend our family, you know. We need to be more like having cousins, uncles, aunts, and all that. Anyways, it's on a Saturday, and you know, I don't have much to say or to do, but I want to do a spend a day with me, you know. And it's raining right now, and nothing much. Okay, you know, so you gotta spend a day with me indoors. We're not going out. It's on a Saturday, but you know, today it's raining. We have to be in all that time. And wale wameenda Naivasha, I don't know how it's taking you, but it's a review status for Bali. Hope like you're enjoying yourself, take care of yourself, and be a good girl or a good boy or a good gent or a good lady, you know, that you are. So yesterday I did like a general cleaning. I washed my seat. I didn't vlog, and I washed my carpet, but apparently because it's raining, it was halfway dried and there is no sun. There is no sun, so until maybe later, if kama kutakuwa na jua, I'll take it out ikauke. But now I want to do utensils and make some groundnuts, and from there we will know what's next. Stay tuned.
Seen all the things, all the places. I hope it means that you'll come home to me once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination.
Look at me. Hey. Hi. Boo-boo. You're here. Let me give you something to eat, okay? Yo. guys, I'm here contemplating between do the utensils or start with groundnuts or start with making my lunch because it's already 12:30. And you know what? I've made my mind. Nitaanza na kuosha vyombo because yesterday we didn't make supper, we didn't have supper, we had salad, and maybe the breakfast utensils, and then from there we will proceed. And you're not leaving because one may help me do the utensils, the other one may help me sorting out the groundnuts, the other one may help me wash the groundnuts, and you know, spend a day with me. So these are the only utensils that I'm going to wash. You see, they are kidogo sana. This is one way and we already done.
I wake up from the sunshine on my face, so dehydrated, don't know what to say. Who's sleeping by my side? What did I do last night? Can someone make this headache go away? Yesterday was supposed to be quiet, being to myself and sit in silence, until I got a call. My friend showed up at my door. They wanted me to go out for a while. We were dancing in the dark with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. Wow, oh, oh, wow, oh, 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 wow, oh, oh. To blame for drinking.
So guys, let us prepare the groundnuts. Yeah. Should I use oven or a gas? I'll try both methods. Maybe let me see. I'll try like little kutumia oven, and then mingi nitapika nikitumia gas, and then nitakuwa ninajua nitakuwa natumia nini kupika nayo.
We were dancing in the dark with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. Wow, oh, oh.
Guys, the first one tutafanya na microwave. Acha tuone venye itakaa, like kidogo tu. I just want to see how it will come out. And by the way, anytime that you want to use something, I prefer you do research, you know. So not every plate or any object can be used to microwave. Make sure like the thing that you're going to put kwa microwave imeandikwa microwave safe, you know, not just take any plate, any cup, plastic, you know. That's how people like, kuna hii nani watu wanasema microwave inaleta cancer, but you know, I don't believe that. Ni vitu zenye tunatumia, maybe tunatumia vibaya, you know.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
Guys, no. Inatoka tu kama njugu zingine. Na ni tamu. But chumvi haingii ndani sana. Wow. Ni tamu, to be honest. You can do it using oven. Approve.
All I know is this is where my heart is.
And guys, it's raining. I'm here to give you an update of my little babies. Do you see them? Wale tuliwapanda the last time. They are growing. Yeah, they're not dead. Just look. I'm just happy. I'm happy they're growing. Yes. It's raining. So guys, it's night and I'm here to make dinner. Anyways, kumenyesha, nimelala, nimeamka. Acha tupike dinner and then tukimaliza dinner tuoge na siku ishe hivyo.
The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said you love for me something brand new. This is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry. 'Cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. For a second, yeah, you're being over your head, babe. 'Cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel the way you feel when I hold you. I think I said enough. You said you love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah, don't need you here to say you're sorry. 'Cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Ooh. Spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though. Wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Can't make sense.
So guys, I didn't had a plan to make this scrambled egg, but you know what, I broke the eggs, 7 of them. I really felt so sad, but I had to cook it, no choice.
Cause the thing, so it's yours, worth a try. Oh, this is the real thing, I'm down if you're down.
So guys, me breaking the eggs, it was an accident, no one fault, but you know, we couldn't save it and threw it away, but we had to make it and add it to our meal, and actually we enjoyed it like that. I'm not praying for the next time zianguke zivunjike, but here we are eating balanced diet. Mungu alikuwa na mipango yake. God had his own plans that day, and by the way, that day I was so clumsy. Everything that I was touching will fell, and I don't know what was happening with me that day, and this was the last clumsy mistake I did, but you know, we are having fun here.
Next to you, get next to you, get next to me, get next to me. There's like the two of us are golden, not gold, you see. What do you got, so take a chance with me. It's magical when you are close, so get close.
Thank you for watching. I really appreciate every bit, every moment that you've been watching this video. Kindly subscribe, share, comment, and recommend the video that I can do. Till next time, bye.